Hi team, I wanted to create a visual for you on using the share a cart feature because I know that you're hearing a lot about it, but sometimes until you see it in action, it can be hard to understand how to use it. So right now, of course, we're doing all online shows, and for the most part, we're encouraging people to send us their list because our sale is so extensive. They get half price items. They get the the bonus item. Right now they're getting the additional free item. And it can be confusing for a customer to know everything that they need to click to make all of that happen. So best case is to use the share a cart feature when encouraging them to message you your list. Because if you were sitting with this person in real life, you would be talking them through the order, you would be encouraging them to take additional half price items. And the reality is, if they just went to the website and placed their own order, we're missing that entire opportunity. So all of that personal service is gone. So the share a cart feature make sure that we get them all of the deals they're entitled to, while at the same time making sure that they are getting the personal service that we would have provided if we were sitting in the living room with them. So I want to share my screen here and really show you how this works. So when I am about to do an online party, what I do first is open up the show I'm working on. So let's say I'm working on Marie's show. And then I keep this screen open so that I can copy the link and work with each customer. So now I keep this open and I'm gonna go as though I am going into Marie's party. So now it says up here, shopping with Michelle Zito for Marie D'Ambrose. I know that I'm in the right show. Okay, so now let's say that Beth sent me her list, and on it she has Moana earrings. All right, we're gonna add those to the cart. We're gonna continue shopping. Next thing on her list is a Zen necklace. So we'll go ahead and add that. All right, and then remember, because I know that some of you are new, it doesn't matter what order you put them in. So right now, Zen is a full price item, but once we add the crepe earrings, let's say, next thing on Beth's list, then if we look at the cart, if you're like, oh wait, that should be half. Come to view cart, and you see it did. It made Moana and crepe be the regular price items, and then you have a Zen necklace at half. Now, we're not done because we're here at 75. She saved 27 so far, but she's only at 75. She did have one more thing on her list, which was a jewel bracelet. So let's go ahead and put that in. She wants her jewel bracelet in silver. We're going to go ahead and add that to her cart. So let's view the cart. She's now at 111. Which we know entitles her right now to two bonus items, the one that she gets for 25, as well as the one that if she takes that, she gets for free. So if in the message that she sent you, those items are there, we can continue on, right? So from the cart, you click View All Promos, and then over here on the right, we have click here to add your customer special, buy one, get one free. So on her list, she had the Ashton bracelet. She wants that as her $25 bonus item, because once you click that, buy one, get one, whatever you put in next is going to be the $25 item. So we add that to the cart. We still need to, because we still have this special till next Wednesday, we still need through May 27th, I'll say the date so that in case you're watching this later, we need to go back to view cart again. Now she's up to $180 savings, but we still need to add the free one. You do the same procedure again. View all promos, buy one, get one free. Now whatever we click next is going to be free. So she wants, let's do what everybody takes, the chalice necklace. All right, so she gets a chalice necklace. And now instead of $94, it's going to be free. So now let's view the cart. Now, At this point, I would send a message to Beth that says, oh my goodness, you've already saved $274 and your total before tax is $136. That's amazing. Take a look. Now we're going to show her the cart. So this is how the share a cart works. Share this cart. You click there. Then you do have to sign into your account. So don't be confused by that because you feel like that's, why am I signing back in? Because you just do. Okay. So we sign in. And here's a list. Not only is Beth's cart right here, but see how all the previous people I've done this with are still in a list over here. And I can refer back to those at any time. So to share this cart with Beth, all I have to do is click here. And this copied the link. And now, chances are you were in Messenger, right? So I can go right into Messenger here. And I would go to Beth and say, after I typed in, you saved blah, 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 your total is this before tax, I would write, check this out. And then go ahead and send her that link. So now Beth will click this and it brings her straight to the cart. Now, if Beth looks this over and she's like, oh my gosh, that's amazing, then she can start the checkout. I do want to point out to you all this new feature. See how this is letting the customer know that Ashton is on back order, estimated May 20th, and then Chalice necklace item is on back order, does not give a date estimate. That's a great new feature, especially if somebody really needed it for a gift or something. They can make a decision now on whether or not they want to proceed with that or a different item. So what I still have the opportunity to do with Beth is to say, now just so you know, you are actually entitled to 2 more half price items. Was there anything else on your list you want me to throw on here for you at half? Any price point, doesn't matter. So we don't know if Beth thought that I was going to come back with that this order was $250. She may be super excited that her total's only $136 and might decide to throw on a second pair of Moana earrings for $13. She might decide to add on a lifestyle bracelet for $23. We don't know. We don't know unless we ask. And if I was sitting with Beth in someone's living room, that's exactly what I would be asking her. So we can still go ahead and do that process with this. Now, another option is when Beth sent me her original list, maybe she didn't even know she was getting half price bonus items, right? She didn't even know. So she might have only sent me this grouping. I could have sent her the list before adding on the bonus items, and it would have been just this part. Then I would message her, so Beth, so far you've saved, what did we save at that time? I think it was like $87 or something, and then send the cart. Then say, you are now entitled to 2 bonus items. Go back in and look. Any piece of jewelry as high as $200 you can put on for $25, as well as a second one up to $100 for free. Then she usually messages back, oh my goodness, are you serious? Yes, take a look and let me know. Now, if you're in the middle of doing a party, other people are messaging you, right? So now I can go on to help Susan, and I can start entering Susan's wish list and do that same back and forth. Now, meanwhile, when Beth gets back to me, you know what? I want to get a Chateau bracelet for free, and I want to get that impression bracelet you had on in the blue. I don't have to start all over with a new cart. All I have to do is click the link that's already there in Messenger, picks it right up from the spot we left off, go ahead and add her 2 bonus items and say, great, your cart's all updated, take a look. I can still offer her those additional 2 half price items. And then when she says, no, this is great, I say, okay, awesome. Just go ahead and click secure checkout and you're all set. Go ahead and enter all of your info to check out. Now, how great is that? She's just gonna pick it up right from here. And now she's gonna enter her own personal information, her own credit card information, and is going to go ahead and complete her order. Now, love that too, because instead of me putting in the address and potentially writing 54 instead of 45, or needing to take her credit card info in some sort of insecure manner, she checks out. And also, you know, that second pair of eyes helps with mistakes. One time I had put a pair of earrings on the bonus items, but also in the half price items instead of a different item. And she said, aren't those earrings on twice? And I said, oh my goodness, you're right. And I fixed it instead of placing the order and then needing to fix it. So the Share a Cart is a huge time saver. It's very professional, and it allows you to pick back up from wherever you were working with your customer right from then, whether it's the same day, the next day, or a week from then, you can pick right back up with that cart. So there are lots of other uses for this as well. The focus of this video was how to do it when working on a party. So I hope that this was helpful, and go ahead and use that Share a Cart because it's going to give you your life back. All right, everyone. See you all soon. Bye.